In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add an item to an agreement. Let's start by explaining the different item types available. There are 5 types of items you can add to an agreement. Each type affects how services are delivered and invoiced. Delivery items, like mats and towels, appear on the manifest. Service-only items, such as a waste management fee, do not appear on the manifest. Static items, like towel cabinets or vending machines, also don't show up on the manifest. One-off items, such as installation charges, are only invoiced once. And finally, on-request-only items, like toilet rolls, only show up when requested by the customer. Let's add an item to an agreement. Click Add Item. Then choose the item type from the menu. You can now choose the stock item you want to add. You can also use the filters here to narrow down your search. Select your item and click OK. On the next screen, select the service frequency. This helps the operations team schedule services. Then select the agreement length. This shows up on the printed agreement for reference. You should also state the quantity required, and finally, the cost per item per year if this is a different price to the standard set pricing. Click Save. And that's it. Your item is now added to the agreement.